students, let's continue exercise 10.5 question 5. Find the value of A 3.0468 plus 4.6251 plus 9.6024. Correct to 3 decimal places. Okay, so students, correct to 3 decimal places means we have to round off it to 3 decimal places. But before that, what we will do? We will do addition of these 3 numbers. Okay, so let's start addition. So we'll write 3.0468 plus. Now what we'll do, students? Decimal. Here point is there. So first we'll write point over here, and after point what is there? That will write 6251, and before point what is there? 4. So we'll write over here 4. Now plus, we'll write this, but before that we'll see point. So we'll keep point over here, and after point what is there? 6024. So we'll write 6024, and before point what is there? 9. So we'll write over here 9. Now students, let's add these numbers. So 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 4 13. So 3 we will write over here, and 1 will take carry. Okay, so here 1 plus 6 7, 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 2 14. So we'll write 4 over here and carry over 1. 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 2 7 plus 0 7. So here we'll write 7. Now here 0 plus 6 6, 6 plus 6 12. So we'll write 2 over here and carry over here. Now here what is there? Decimal. So we'll keep here decimal point. Okay. Now let's add these numbers. 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 4 8, and 8 plus 9 17. So here we cannot keep carry anywhere. So we'll write over here 17. Okay. So students, what we got over here? Addition 17.2743. So what we want to do? We want to round off to 3 decimal places. Okay. So which number we will see? Let's see 1, 2 and 3. Here we want to round off. So we'll see this digit. So which one is this? Yes, this is 10,000th place. Okay. So let's compare this number with number 5. So here what is there? 3. So 3 is greater than 5 or less than 5? Yes, 3 is less than 5. So what we'll do? We'll add over here 1? No, we will not add. Okay. So what we'll write here? Same only 4. So what will be our answer? So our answer will be 17.274. Now let's see some number B. So here we have 7.8465 plus 0.0073 minus 1.0263. Now what we have to do here? Correct to 2 decimal places. So Here we have 7.8465 plus 0.0073 minus 1.0263. Correct to 2 decimal places. So we want to round off 8 to 2 decimal places. So first we'll do addition of this 2 number and we'll get answer. From that we'll subtract this number. So first let's do addition of these 2 numbers. So we'll write over here 7.8465 plus, here first we'll put point and after point what is there? 0073. So we'll write 0073 and before point what is there? Yes, it is 0. So we'll write 0. Now let's add these numbers. So 5 plus 3, 8. 6 plus 7, 13. So we'll write 3 over here and carry over 1 here. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 0, 5. 8 plus 0, 8. And here we'll keep point and 7 plus 0, 7. Now we got students here 7.8538. So we'll subtract this number from this number. So we'll write here 7.8538 minus, here we'll keep first point and after point what is there? 0263 and before point there is 1. So we'll write over here 1. Now let's subtract it. 8 minus 3, 5. Now students, it is not possible to subtract 6 from 3. So we'll borrow and we'll take a carry. So in place of 3, we'll write 13 and in place of 5, we'll write 4. Now let's subtract this number. 13 minus 6, 7. 4 minus 2, 2. 8 minus 0, 8. And here we'll keep point and 7 minus 1, 6. Okay, now students, here we got 6.8275. What we want to do, we want to round off to 2 decimal places. So we'll see third digit. Okay, we'll compare third digit here, 7. Okay, so students, 7 is greater than 5 or less than 5? Yes, 7 is greater than 5. So what we will do? Yes, we will add 1 over here. So here in place of 2, what will become? 3. Okay, so what will be our answer? 6.83. Now students, let's start C number. Here we have 5.798 multiplied by 0.8. Correct to 3 decimal places. Okay, so students, what we'll do over here? First we'll do multiplication of these 2 numbers and then we'll round off to 3 decimal places. Okay, so first we'll write 5.798 multiplied by 0.8. Okay students, here what we'll do, first of all we'll count over here before how many digits there is a point. 1, 2 and 3. Yes, okay, before 3 digits there is a decimal. So here we'll write 3 decimal. Okay, and here before how many? Yes, 1. So here we'll write 1 decimal. Okay, now let's forget the decimal and do simple multiplication. Okay, so first we'll multiply with number 8. So 8 8s are 64, carry over 6. 8 9s are 72, 72 plus 6, 78. So we'll write 8 over here and carry over 7. Now let's multiply. 8 sevens are 56. 56 plus 7, 63. So we'll write 3 over here and 6 over here. 8 fives are 40. 40 plus 6. Yes, 46. So we'll write 46. Okay, students. Now we'll multiply with number 0. But before that, what we will do? Here we'll keep 1 0 as we are going to start multiplication of tens digit. Okay, this is on the tens place. So we'll keep 0 over here. 0 8s are 0, 0 9s are 0, 0 7s are 0, 0 5s are 0. Now let's add these numbers. 4 plus 0, 4, 8 plus 0, 8, 3 plus 0, 3, 6 plus 0, 6, 4 plus 0, 4. Now students, we'll keep decimal. Okay, now where should we keep decimal? Yes, so what we will do, here 3 is there and here 1 is there. So we'll add these numbers. 3 plus 1, 4. So we'll keep decimal before 4 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll keep decimal over here. Okay, so what we got over here? 4.6384. Now we want to correct to 3 decimal places. So we'll see fourth number. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and fourth number. So here we have which number? Yes, we have 4. So we'll compare this number with number 5. So 4 is greater than 5 or less than 5? Yes, 4 is less than 5. So we'll not add here 1. Okay. So what will be our answer? Yes, 4.638. So let's write over here 4.638. Now students, let's start question number 6. Find 869.27 multiply by 0.5 correct to the nearest whole number and to the nearest tenth. Okay, now students, first for this we will do multiplication of this number. So here we'll write 869.27 multiply by 0.5. So first students will see before how many digits there is a point. Yes, 2 digits. So here we'll write 2 decimal. Okay, now here before 1 digit there is a point. So we'll write 1 decimal. Okay, now students, let's forget this decimal and continue our multiplication. 5 sevens are 35, carry over 3, 5 twos are 10, plus 3, 13, carry over 1, 5 nines are 45 plus 1, 46, carry over 4, 5 6 are 30 plus 4, 34, carry over 3, 5 8s are 40 plus 3, 43. Students, I have kept 0 over here as we are going to start multiplication of tens digit. Okay, so let's multiply with this 0 number. 0 sevens are 0, 0 twos are 0, 0 nines are 0, 0 6 are 0 and 0 8s are 0. Now students, let's add these numbers. 5 plus 0, 5, 3 plus 0, 3, 6 plus 0, 6, 4 plus 0, 4, 3 plus 0, 3 and 4 plus 0, 4. So students, now let's keep decimal over here. So we'll see before 2 digits. So 2 plus 1, 3 digits. Okay. So before 3 digits we'll keep decimal. So 1, 2 and 3. So here we'll keep decimal. Okay. Now here we got 434.635. So students will do here A to the nearest whole number. Okay students, as we want to round off nearest whole number, we'll see 10th digit. Okay, what is there on the 10th digit? Yes, there is 6 on 10th digit. So let's compare this 6 with number 5. So 6 is greater than 5 or less than 5? Yes, it is greater than 5. So what we'll do? We'll add one number over here. So what will become? 435. So to the nearest whole number, what will be there? 435 is the nearest whole number. Now to the nearest tens. Okay, so we want to find nearest tens. So we'll see hundreds. Okay, which on the place of hundreds, which number is there? Yes, there is a 3 on hundredth place. So we'll compare this 3 with number 5. So 3 is greater than 5 or less than 5? Yes, it is less than 5. So students, what will do? Can we add over here 1? Yes or no? No. So what will be our answer? 434.6. So we'll write here 434.6 is the nearest tens. Now let's start sum number 7. A, find 7 by 4 to the nearest tens. So for this sum, first we'll divide this 7 with number 4. So 7 will write as a dividend and 4 will write as a divisor. So here we'll take 4 ones are 4. Why? Because 4 twos are 8 and number is greater than 7. So we have taken 4 ones are 4. Now let's subtract it. 7 minus 4, 3. Now students, 3 is smaller than 4. So what we'll do? Yes, we'll add 0 over here. But as we have added 0 over here, what we'll do? We'll keep over here decimal. Okay, now let's see. Does 30 come in the table of 4? So 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32. 32 is greater than 30. So we'll take 4 sevens are 28. Let's subtract it. It is not possible to subtract 8 from 0. So what we'll take? Yes, we'll borrow. So here in place of 0, we'll write 10 and in place of 3, we'll write 2. Now let's subtract it. 10 minus 8, 2 and 2 minus 2, 0. Now again 2 is smaller than 4. So what we'll do? We'll add 0 over here. So what it became? Yes, it became 20. Now let's see. Does 20 come in the table of 4? Yes. 4 5s are 20. Now let's subtract it. 0, 0. Okay. Now students, what we got over here? 1.75. But what we have to do? Yes, we want to round off to the nearest tens. So we'll see 100th place. What is there on the 100th place? Yes, there is 5 on 100th place. So let's compare this number with number 5. So 5 equal to 5. So what we'll do? Yes, we'll add 1 over here. So what will become over here? 1.8. So let's write answer. Answer 1.8 is the nearest tens of 7 by 4. Now let's see B. Find 17 by 8 to the nearest tens. Okay, now same way what we have done earlier. Yes, we have divided. Same way here also will do divide of 17 by 8. We have taken 17 as dividend and 8 as divisor. Now students, let's see, does 17 come in the table of 8? 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. 24 is greater than 17. So we'll take 8 2s are 16. Now let's subtract it. 7 minus 6, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Now what is there? 1. 1 is less than 8. So what we'll do? Yes, we'll add 0 over here, and as we have added 0 here, we'll keep decimal over here. Now let's see, does 10 come in the table of 8? 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 16 is greater than 8. So we'll take 8 1s are 8. Now let's subtract it. 10 minus 8, 2. Now again here 2 is smaller than 8, so we'll add 0 over here. But before that we have already added decimal, so no need to add any decimal. Now let's see, does 20 come in the table of 8? 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. 24 is greater than 20, so we'll take 8 2s are 16. Now let's subtract it. 20 minus 16, 4. Now again we'll add 0 over here as number 4 is smaller than 8. So let's see, does 40 come in the table of 8? Yes, 8 5s are 40. Now let's subtract it. 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. Now what we got over here? 2.125. So again what we have to do here? Yes, we want to round off to the nearest tenth. So we'll see 100th place. So what is there on 100th place? Yes, there is 2 on 100th place. So let's compare this 2 with number 5. So 2 is less than 5. So we don't have to add over here 1. So what will be our answer? 2.1. So let's write over here answer. 2.1 is the nearest tenths of 17 by 8.